Hello students, I am Sunny sir from Mahdi English School. This video is for class 2 subject science. Before we continue with our video, let's read the thought for today. There is no elevator to success. You have to take the stairs. So the meaning of this thought is hard work is the key to success. There is no shortcut to the success. You have to work hard, and when you work hard, only then you can achieve your success. Elevator means the lift. You might have seen the lift in our school, that if you want to climb second floor or fourth floor or fifth floor, or if you want to go anywhere on the top floor, you can use elevator. But that is not the hard work. If you do the hard work, if you take up the stairs, then your bones and muscles will work and your body will be healthy. So that is what the meaning of this thought is, that you have to work hard. Just like when you climb the stairs, your body will exercise. Same way, when you work hard, your mind, your brain, your body will exercise, and when you work hard, there are more chances of achieving success. So don't wait for any shortcut. Content of today's video: lesson number 5, bones and muscles, reading the text of the lesson, exercise and healthy food, and posture. So the two topics that we'll take up today are the topics which I have underlined: exercise and healthy food and posture. But in the previous video, the topics that we have covered, I'll just brief out that topics. First thing we had done was fill in the missing vowels to get the names of the different body parts. We had written the names of the different body parts, and what were that? Eyes, neck, elbow, knee, and arm. You had to identify the body parts, and I told you it's important for your exam also. Then we had learned about skeleton, and we had learned about muscles. In the skeleton, we had learned that our body has a framework of bones that is called skeleton. We had learned that we have more than 200 bones in our body, and the place where two or more bones join is called a joint. We can bend our body around the joints. In muscles, we have learned that there are more than 600 muscles in our body. Muscles are soft, bones are hard parts of our body. Now let's read ahead the topic exercise and healthy food. So you have to read along with me and write down the key words. So here is the topic that we are reading today. What is the name of the topic, which I have underlined, as you can see? Exercise and healthy food. So in this there are two difficult words which I can see that you have to memorize the spelling. It will help you in exercise. exercise, exercise. healthy, healthy. Exercise and healthy food. So let's read. The bones and muscles of our body work together to help us move, work, and play. What can we do with our bones and muscles? So bones and muscles in our body, they work together. Together they work, and so we can move our body, we can do any kind of work, we can also play. Like you are seeing the children over here, how they are playing tennis using their hands and legs movement. Here you can see the children are playing football. Here you can see that the boy is swimming in the water. So these are the three different exercises which are shown over here. Also, you have to learn the names of these things which are given over here. SWIMMING, swimming. This boy is swimming in the water. Next, FOOTBALL, football. These children are playing football. Then TENNIS, tennis. A boy and a girl are playing tennis in the ground. So these three exercises are the examples of what we can do with our bones and muscles. Suppose our bones and muscles do not work properly, then we cannot do any of these things. So it is given we need strong bones and muscles for various activities. Various activities means different games, different actions that you do every day. You sit down, you stand up, right? You run, you walk. All these things are activities. Like these kids are doing some activities, they are playing games. So that is called activity. And what do you need for performing all these kinds of activities? You need strong bones and muscles, because bones and muscles we all have in our body, but we need strong bones and muscles. So, how will you get strong bones and muscles? That is the question. How will you make your bones and muscles strong? If you want to do all these things, or if you want to play any game, you need your bones and muscles to be strong. So, how do we make our bones and muscles strong? Let's read. We must exercise and eat healthy food every day to make our bones and muscles strong. So, this is the point which you will write. How will you make your bones and muscles strong? For making bones and muscles strong, you have to do exercise every day. Exercise means playing games. I am talking about outdoor games, not the games in your phones. The games which you play inside your phone, that are not the games that will make your bones and muscles strong. You have to go out and play with your friends. Which games can you play? You can play tennis, football, basketball, you can play running race and cricket, etc. There are so many games which you can play, and that things are called exercise. When you do exercise, your bones and muscles will be strong. And second thing, we should not forget that always eat healthy food. What is the meaning of healthy food? Means you have to avoid junk food. We have learnt in the lesson that what are the disadvantages of eating junk food. Junk food can affect your health. It can make you ill for several days. So always avoid eating junk food and prefer healthy food. What are the healthy foods that you can include in your meal? You can include all the three types of food that we have studied in lesson number 6. You have to eat energy giving food, bodybuilding food, and protective food. Some examples are rice, milk, fruits, vegetables, etc. If you eat all these food, then your bones and muscles will be strong. But also do not forget exercise. That is also required for our healthy bones and muscles. Then strong bones and muscles allow us to work and play without feeling tired. So, if your bones and muscles are strong, then what is the advantage that you will get? You will never feel tired. Means you will never feel sleepy while you are doing some work. Some people have the habit, they go to sleep or they take rest in between. Every 10 minutes they need a break. But that is because your bones and muscles are not strong. You cannot focus when you are reading a lesson or when you are learning something. You will feel tired. You will want to sleep or you want to do something else. Why are you feeling tired? Because your bones and muscles are not strong enough. You cannot sit straight, can you? So try to sit straight. Is everyone sitting straight right now? Please sit straight. See how much time can you sit straight. Keep your back straight. Don't take support of anything. Just sit straight. If you are sitting on the chair or if you are sitting down or anywhere, just sit straight. Do not take support. So how long can you sit straight? Just note down the time. Can you sit straight for 1 minute, for 2 minutes or for 5 minutes? So you have to practice this every day. This is good things. These are the good things that you should do for your bones and muscles. So you will not feel tired. And if you do not want to feel tired every day, see that you do exercise every day, play outdoor games. You can go for walking with your parents for 15 to 20 minutes each day early in the morning. And next point is that we should get enough sleep to remain healthy. This is very important point, children. Are you all getting enough sleep every day, or are you awake till late night? So you already have the answer because you know your timetable. At what time do you sleep? Write down in your notebook. Do you sleep at 9:30? Do you sleep at 10 o'clock? Do you sleep at 9 o'clock? 11 o'clock? At what time do you sleep at night? And then write down in the next line, at what time do you get up in the morning? Do you get up at 5 o'clock, 6 o'clock, 8 o'clock? When do you get up? So see, in between you will get the duration. Suppose you sleep at 10 o'clock and you get up at 6 o'clock. How much time is that in between? From 10 till 6 in the morning, you can get 8 hours of sleep. So see that you sleep at least for 7 to 8 hours, and you should not be awake till late night. It will have negative impact on your health. So always sleep early by 10 o'clock and get up early in the morning. As the sun rises, you should also rise up from your bed. That is the good habit. If you want to remain healthy, you should get enough sleep. If you sleep late, you get up early, then you will not be able to focus on any work. The next day, you will feel tired and you will feel sleepy. So get enough rest, get enough sleep, exercise every day, eat healthy food, which I just gave examples: energy giving, protective, bodybuilding. All these foods which we have learned in lesson 6 are called healthy food. So I hope you will follow this timetable every day. You will go to sleep early, you will get up early, at least 7 to 8 hours of sleep you should get. It's okay if you do not sleep in afternoon, but at night you should get enough sleep. And also eat the healthy food every day and make a habit of sitting straight. Wherever you sit, please sit straight. So here is one question for all of you. You have to write answer yourself. What do you do to keep your bones and muscles strong? Have you asked yourself? Do you do anything any day to keep your bones and muscles strong? So from today you will start doing these things which are shown over here. See the boy and the girl. What are they doing? Let's read over here. Exercise is good for health. Healthy food. So these are the two things that you will do regularly from today. You will do exercise every day. You can do running exercise, jogging, or even walking exercise. But at least for 15 to 20 minutes early in the morning, you should do these exercises. You can also do yoga asanas if you know, or you can take the help of your elders in the family. Then healthy food like cereals, pulses, etc., green vegetables, all these food which we just discussed, you should consume this healthy food every day. Also milk and eggs are considered in healthy food. So when you have healthy food every day, it will make your bones and muscles strong. So please follow these two things from today itself. Now, one exercise we have, we will solve this 4 name the following questions, because that are objective based questions which will improve your knowledge. It will add to your knowledge. Let's read the first one. The topics which we have covered up till now. Which are the topics that we have covered? We have learnt about skeleton, muscles, and we learnt about exercise and healthy food. So from that we have 4 name the following questions. Let's read and find out answers. A framework of bones that supports our body. So in the previous lecture of this lesson, we had learnt about skeleton. Our body has a framework of bones, and that framework of bones is called our skeleton. So that is the question. What is the framework of the bones called and that supports our body? It is called a skeleton. Let's write the answer, and please write the answers in your notebook. So here is the first answer. A framework of bones that supports our body. We can sit, we can stand up, walk, run, all that things we can do because of skeleton. Learn the spelling as well. skeleton, skeleton. skeleton, skeleton. Number 2. The hard and stiff parts of our body. The hard and stiff parts of our body. What is that called? The hard parts of our body that are stiff. You cannot bend that. That is called bones. What is the spelling? Let's write bones. 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 What are bones? Bones are hard and stiff. You cannot bend them. They are called stiff parts of our body. And there are more than 200 bones in the human skeleton. Number 3. The place where 2 or more bones are joined together. The place where 2 or more bones mix or join together. What is that place called? That place is called a joint. 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 Let's write the answer. So here is answer number 3. joint. Joint. A place where 2 or more bones are joined together. We had seen the examples of neck joint, wrist joint, and elbow joint. 4th, the soft parts of our body that help us move our bones. Then we had learned in the second topic, our bones are covered with something. What is that something? Our bones are covered with muscles. Muscles are soft and they help us move our bones. So let's write the spelling. Here is the answer. muscles. 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 Our bones are covered with muscles. Muscles are soft and they help our bones to move. And how many muscles do we have? There are more than 600 muscles in our body. Now let's read ahead. So, as you had seen in the introduction, the next topic we are reading, that is posture. Write down the name of that topic. What is the spelling? posture. 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 That is how you pronounce the word. So what is the meaning of this word? Let's read. The position of our body when we stand, sit or walk is called posture. The position of our body when we stand, sit or walk is called posture. So whenever you stand up, whenever you sit down, or whenever you are walking, your posture is seen in that. How you bend your body, how you make it straight. As I told you, are you all sitting straight right now? Are you all sitting like this boy? Or are you all sitting like him? If you are sitting like him, then it is not good posture. See, it is given below over here. This is bad posture. This is good posture. You should sit straight. Your back should always be straight. Whether you are sitting on the floor or on the chair or on the sofa, anywhere, your good posture should always be maintained throughout the day. If you sit straight, you can learn each and everything very easily. It will directly go inside your brain. If you are sitting like him, then your back will start paining. It is not a good posture. It is bad posture. So never bend down like this. Never go close to the screen. Always maintain this much distance. For that you have to sit straight. So follow good posture, not the bad one. Then what is given? We should always keep a straight and upright posture. So the question could be asked from here, which kind of posture should we keep always? We should always keep straight and upright posture. Means you should sit straight and upright. This is how you sit straight and upright. Spelling STRAIGHT, straight, UPRIGHT, upright. Always sit straight and upright. That is the good posture. This boy. A good posture helps us stay healthy. So what is the benefit? That question should come to your mind. What is the benefit of sitting straight? You can also sit like this boy at a leisurely pace. Very comfortably you can sit like this boy is sitting. Why to sit straight? But that is the advantage of sitting straight, that you will always be healthy. You will not fall ill if you sit straight. It keeps our body in proper shape. So your body's shape will be good. It will be maintained. If you sit straight, your body will have a good shape. But if you sit like this boy, then the shape of your body will not be maintained as you grow up. So two types of postures are shown over here, good posture and bad posture. Now it is up to you whether you want to be like this boy, you want to sit, you have to bend down and sit like this boy close to the screen, or whether you want to sit like this boy who is a good boy, who is always sitting straight. So right now, how are you sitting? Are you sitting straight? Just look at yourself. If not, then please sit straight like this boy. So here we complete the lesson. Now let's read the keywords of the lesson. Keywords are the important words, the terms, the definitions that we have just come across in the lesson. Let's read one by one. And these three, it is compulsory for you to write this in your rough book right now along with me. Keywords number 1. skeleton, skeleton. What is skeleton? So first I will show you the image. So this is the image of the skeleton. We have seen the image of the skeleton. Here the spelling is also written skeleton, skeleton. Now you know what is skeleton. So let's read the definition. The framework of bones in our body is called the skeleton. The framework of bones in our body is called the skeleton. As you can see over here, all the bones are arranged together, and this framework, it is called framework. This framework of bones is called our skeleton. When all the bones are arranged properly, it makes a skeleton. Number 2, joint. The place where two or more bones join together is called a joint. I'll show you the image. Here are the images of 3 joints: neck joint, wrist joint and elbow joint. Here you can see 2 bones are joined together where black arrow is there. Over here also black arrow, you could see how the bones are joined, and over here. So these are the 3 images of joints. What is the definition that we have seen? The place where 2 or more bones join together is called a joint. Number 3, posture, which we just saw right now. The position of our body when we stand, sit or walk is called posture. This is how the posture looks like. The position of your body when you are sitting or when you are standing or walking, that is called your posture. It is how you sit, walk or stand. So these are the 3 important keywords. Let's read the summary of the lesson and sum up the lesson. What we have come across, all the important points are included in it. Number 1. Our body has a framework of bones called skeleton. So the skeleton is called the framework of bones. All the bones are joined together and a skeleton is made. Bones support and protect the soft inner body parts. So, what is the work of the bones? Bones will protect the inner parts of your body, which are very soft. Number 3, the place where two or more bones join together is called a joint. So, where two or more bones are connected or joined together is called a joint, like we saw right now: neck joint, wrist joint, and elbow joint. Next, our bones are covered with muscles. Muscles help us move our bones. So, our bones are not open. You cannot see your bones, can you? Because the bones are covered with muscles. You see your skin. You can touch your skin, how soft it is. Because muscles are there inside it, and muscles cover the bones which are inside it. That is the work of muscles. They are soft. The bones and muscles of our body work together to help us move, work and play. So here we have learnt in this lesson very important point, that bones and muscles both are very important for our body's movement. If you want to work, play or do anything, any actions, if you want to do any physical action, you need the help of both your bones and your muscles. We must exercise and eat healthy food every day to make our bones and muscles strong. So one more point we have learned, like you saw the boy was swimming, the children were playing football, tennis, all these exercises and eating healthy food is very important if you want to make your bones and muscles strong. A good posture keeps our body in proper shape. So you just saw the image of the boys. One boy was sitting straight, one boy was who bent down. So if you keep a good posture like the first boy, you will always be able to maintain the proper shape of your body. When you grow up, the shape of your body will be very good. But if you bend down and you sit anywhere, then the shape will not be good. So always maintain the good shape of your body by sitting straight, walk straight and sit straight. So now we are revising what we have done in the previous lecture, because as I told you, one of the questions in your exam, in your upcoming exam, it can be asked, fill in the missing vowels and get the names of the body parts. You will not be given the pictures, but you will be given the blanks like this, and you have to write the names of the body parts. Like over here it is given the first one, dash Y dash S. So the image over here it is given, but in your exam you will just be given the blanks. So which body part is this? These are eyes, EYES, eyes. Number 2, N-CK, that is your neck, NECK, neck. Number 3 we have dash LB dash W. So what is that? Number 3, it is your elbow, ELBOW. Fourth, KN dash dash. Which body part is that? That is your knee, KNEE, knee. Last, number 5, dash RM. Which body part is that? That is your arm, ARM, arm. So here are the images of all the body parts that we have read the names of. Here are the eyes, then here is the neck, then here is your elbow, then here is your knee, then here is your arm. This is your elbow and this is your arm. So that is very minute difference. Elbow is over here where joint is there, and this is your arm. You can also see the shoulder over here. So likewise you will be given the blanks and asked in the exam to write the names of the body parts. So please revise this lesson. Please maintain cleanliness in your surroundings. Plant more trees as much as possible. Take care of yourselves and have a nice day. Thank you for watching my video.